To me personally, this has come as a very big surprise because today marks the very first time as a member who said Captain Kojo Smart, a supported MPP member, no more bash at NDC member. Concerning ministerial veteran equation between Afenyo Markin and Okudzeto Ablakwa, Afenyo Markin equals a question concerning Okudzeto Ablakwa and personal life, as a asset, the properties, and Emma or any other idea. Okudzeto Kasi the very the own team fan and Yapadi and Tubiano. Captain Smart at Transit Debbie. Adia Okudzeto Ablakwa a threat to the state security and also a threat to position a day man. Eti Captain Smart abege Canadian pa eda chere Okudzeto Ablakwa now no throw the support for Afenyo Markin. Aha Penyah brought me the message said this is a new channel. Your first channel no, it is under YouTube surveillance screening. It Omar Lemeteno. It is an old one to Adaroma. Subscribe to new one we now am building new one we know. And we say why you need you subscribe to this new channel. Let turn the notification icon on. Now I like a video no. Let's share what our comment section. It concerning Ministerial Veteran Ecosono, Okudzeto Ablakwa as Minister Designate for Foreign Affairs. Only Afenyo Markin, it drew that the veteran. There were a whole lot of drama. Drama no be say Okudzeto Ablakwa aircon, na okra bags beer. Na man for them say bags no. They say we gather evidence, facts upon facts about MPP government. So the say Afenyo Markin a mistake. Echo two question beer. So be say discipline with answer no. Enya se mkuma. It's not okra bag. Kukuda makesie mienu by the end of the day who are they be a bag for so be about you want to be the bag no your they say it was a drama just it was settings bag na a settings now vet no e koso no ana Afenyo Markin ebusa Okudzeto Ablakwa say can you declare your asset to the state government Matisse over down Airport Hills any ade unchire mu any say
at Airport Hills? How long have you been living at Airport Hills?
About 8 years.
Is it your own property?
No, I am renting. I'm a tenant.
Airport Hills is dollar rented zone. Are you aware?
Okudzeto chire mu say edan no enye ne dia or rent it. Airport Hills or rent it and for lest you forget, Airport Hills, you pay rent in dollars, not cedis, in dollars. And the amount they were suspicious and say, Okudzeto Ablakwa, the monthly salary as MP, member of parliament, 15,000 cedis, 150 million. But or rent it, Airport Hills, according to him, was if you didn't or rent it. It or rent or Airport Hills. 8 year month to be Airport Hills rents within $8,000 to $15,000. It will reference a month to be $10,000. $10,000. Dollar. The reference a cut-off point. Dollar 13 cedis. It is 13 cedis, times 10. It means a month to be Okudzeto Ablakwa etua 130,000 Ghana cedis, which is 1.3 billion. 1.3 billion as rent. Afenyo Markin will answer for how many years or months have you rented this apartment? Also, we are renting for 8 years. And let's do some simple calculation. Yemfa month be almost say 12 months, and the 12 times 8. 12 times 8, which is 96 months. So 96 months times 130,000 cedis, which is 12.4 million Ghana cedis. 124 billion. Okudzeto Ablakwa Ghana for the past 8 years was spending 124 billion. Was spending 124 billion. Ewo rent on CFA. There's Sikawi, a mansion, but see on CFA. Who claims a feeling in India. It mewa ne boss me aketue as MP so 15,000 cedis 150 million per. But onya 1.3 billion busumi be atua rent according to him. onya 1.3 billion it your rent busmibia but the bus market ya 150 million. It is assuming na Captain Smart etnase dwon hodi no se da bi. Okudzeto Ablakwa once market kan de me na ye hia nkyeremu it Captain Smart abe support Afenyo Markin abe bash at Okudzeto Ablakwa.
Se me Mareta ko gina court beyere oja ware me yesi ye pemeja pade a yetime list me de tintin me yaka chen say Fatantra Hills ko fasre so ko duase basiko Cape Coast ko Mankasim ko Sinchem ko Sunyane me ya list me ya je ma oba no. But Ghana politician there, you say, ne Japadia or one Ghana for Munchen ye. But you say on tro, on type it, no fancy envelope, no Ontario din, no fan comma Auditor General. Sir, Auditor General and Saka only 2 minutes so baby, many biano da.
Le.
Wo men biano Auditor General ye mistake ne so biano pa wato Ghana mra it is a Mareta ni JB ebedi minister na yesi on declare ne asset a e wo Mareta team say meto abanya sa ase wo cantonment na wa tro wo say I have a property at cantonment some property say ye dan say yes asase you don't know no matro no property at cantonment and to most politicians no to say me am sorpani former national organizer of the MPP, former director of operations at the Jubilee House. You say look me. On one the minister, no one can just only declare the assets. Canada, Japan, on the minister, no one can just only declare the assets. But I can just 150 houses. How? How? Yay! Yasu Yentariano, Membiano. It is a mere politician. The mayor in an say, number 1, have a property at Achimota. Number 2, property at Dansoman. Number 3, property Cape Coast. Number 5, filling station at Number 6, no man listen tin no matariano. It is a onya bedi minister ni wiya. And no bedi tumi wa ba mu wiya no dimirika. E say opekwan bia so enya asase wa dan eye filling station. Opekwan bia so enya asase o Cape Coast no eye property. Opekwan bia so onya asase o Mankasim no eye property. Opekwan bia so this is what they do. Bibi dina he mi wadan wo tantra mi wadan wo duase mi wadan wo sreso mi si dan wo Mankasim. So ma ka kire. And you do baby as say your politicians no when we open declaration of assets samra no as atwam and ho meni eye Afenyo Markin si ya dwen say na so Okudzeto declare the assets in public. Also politicians this rule because umusuro no kura. Yes to say many okwan no and okura no and nkwa. Politician be asuro so be declare the assets of public. Say na do president. Osi den wo isego. Osi two cantonment. Plus ne papa fie esi ehehe. Aha, anamwa. Ba ko na wo cantonment so say isego ya ko hoda. Ma ko hoda. Moi, you people are aware. You are aware. President in the most market say. Yes, so see a mechanical crash Ghana politician. The piano mu kum ye mu prayer. Let me tell you, it's the question the same. Ye no ma bay. Ebinim wo mu a o meye kwana pass. We know. Who told you we don't know? We know. And to me, it's not no. Na me ne Dr. Bambon komo no.
So original na so ya po.
Me pesa me ma wo ti ase say. Ye do ba bi ase say. Mareta ye minister of lands and natural resources only declare assets in public. Don't share any house numbers. Dr. Ba, or the Deputy Minister of Health, on declare the assets, on share Japadia or one now Kuma. You do baby as obedi MP kura, car kura now once obedi MP no, Yamagana for who? Debbie,
MPP NDC for Lusu, election first one. Brahma was no. Unam Kumasia, yes, a filling station where you could get to there. Filling station where you could get to there. Filling station where you are Sima Sidia. No, I will lose you who say Yanokre. And the Asama Wokasa or much church or Monja Padea, more.
Declare assets on my uncle. Maybe to a mini filling station. And he said, me did minister and fear nine. Did Deputy Minister and fear nine. Number of filling stations in me and sa trouble war. Yanko bank couldn't call her baby and the G loan. And yes, gas station. No. We must find out.
It's about time we the citizens we must demand answers from the politicians. I say, Sebi, Obufaye and Kwasiafo. How can you tell us this Kwekwan answer story? We don't defend anything and we don't speak for anything. But how can you tell us this story? Declare what set? Because Emrofuno say you appoint to as minister that year say you be choose say be sumo mine. Woja party will be an old bechere mo mine in who say major party ni. Say the beya obedi ade. Na ehwe waka to scare for accounts mu. Now be your project be a boro so a yet hold responsible. But Ghana I think say Mahama Kraka say obi obi appoint as minister biano or the Niger party ba bechere. E dia didn't during vetting or Okudzeto Yabusa na Okudzeto te or person chere say e personal life. Enisi ebusa but onu kuria so that operation recover all loot ano. Ah oboa krono amanfo abu sika amanfo awia oboa say obe retrieve those money. Next onu kura no nimu e was onu ankasa ohia screening. Educated smart for the first time in history. What to support ama MPP. I will tell them say, I was say Okudzeto Ablakwa by hook or crook, whether we or shine, on declaring assets. Na yina ye hobe. Ube to actually wajune our comment section. What our message was a channel a new one, the old one is under restriction. 80 follow way subscribe channel way. Na ye grow way so encounter. Ube to actually wajune comment section. I Penyah Media.